All right, we're watching I Am Shifter crash, and some context here. I'll go and explain a little bit, but let's go and watch the video itself. Basically goes from asphalt to gravel. So, what do you think is going to happen here? Got a little fast into it, and he didn't have his jacket. We'll go ahead and talk a little bit about that. So, what can we learn from this? So a little context. He sent this to me on Instagram. We're just kind of chit-chatting back and forth. And basically, it was hot out. He didn't wear his jacket for the one time. He says it was definitely a mistake, something he's learned from. And he teaches people in his own content not to do that. And so, yeah, he wasn't wearing his jacket. This is a road that he used to ride or go with his buddies all the time back in the day when he was a teenager and whatnot. And just didn't think about it. Just didn't realize that it did go into gravel. So he was just kind of speeding off into it, having some fun. And hopefully he's being more of a safe rider now. But speeding off and having some fun and just didn't realize it. So what can we learn here? We got a crest of the hill. We can't really see what's on the other side of this hill. So it's like a vertical blind turn. I like to describe it that way. Instead of blind turn this way or that way, it's up and over. So you can't see it. So your line of sight is terrible. So you should be slowing down before that, going into orange stage, kind of prepped and ready for some of those things. Making sure that we aren't going super fast so that we can make some adjustments if we have to. And so once he gets up here, he's like, oh, crap. You can hear a little bit of skidding, a little bit of rear brake, front brake. Either way, the brakes, trying to slow it down. But once we hit that gravel and we have some brakes, we lose that traction, so the brakes don't work so well, so we start sliding. And so when he said that he did crash, the worst part of it all, the bike was fine. He was able to replace a lot of the stuff. But the worst part of it all was peeling out the gravel in his arms. He said it was one of the worst pains he's ever had, all because he didn't wear a jacket. So the lesson that we're going to learn here is crest of the hills, kind of slowing it down. And when we get to gravel, just honestly, just coast through it as best you can and then slow down gradually. A lot of you guys that are on dirt bikes can probably slide it a little bit. But anyways, the other lesson that we can learn here is to wear our gear, even if it's on a hot day. Get some summer riding gear because you don't want to be pulling gravel out of your arm. I'm not going to be talking too much crap about you, Shifter. This is a great lesson. It's good to have this lesson for everyone else. But yeah, thank you.